In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how Google NotebookLM saves your chat history and how you can manage your conversations. I'll start on the homepage and click Create New to begin a fresh project. I'm uploading a research paper on artificial intelligence, so we have data to work with. Once the document is ready, I'll scroll through it and select a suggested question about AI in healthcare and education. As the AI parses the data, it generates a response explaining that narrow AI is currently transforming healthcare through disease detection and education by personalizing learning for students. These advancements help increase overall efficiency and empower humans to make much better decisions. Now, look at the top right. There is a chat history icon confirming that conversations are now saved across sessions. To test this, I'll head back to the dashboard and then reopen my recent notebook. As you can see, the conversation is still right there where I left it. If I want to keep a specific answer permanently, I click Save to Note to move it to my Studio panel. I can even click the three dots on that note and select Convert to Source to use that response as a primary reference for future questions. A quick search confirms that chat retention is now a standard feature, ensuring your work is always preserved for your next session. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.